What is the mineral which contains a metallic element which can be economically exploited called ore? Which is the most common ore of lead? Galena. Which is considered as the finest grain size of the sedimentary rocks? Lutites. The bauxite in India occurs primarily as what ore? Gibbsite. The non-metallic minerals associated with ore minerals are called gangue minerals. Where is the Singhbhum copper belt located? Bihar. Deposits that were formed subsequent to the formation of the host rocks are called epigenetic. The only state in India where tungsten is extracted is Rajasthan.